Hello guys, welcome. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to add sequential numbers in Microsoft Excel using fill handle and row function. In first step, click into the first cell in your series, start giving the value, type the value in the next cell, select these two cells, drag the cells down, this is the first way, and let us try the second way, which is row function. Let us delete this. In the first cell, type equal row I1 and then close the bracket. Hit enter and drag the cell down to the end. As you can see, the sequential numbers is added. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and don't forget to like the video.